Okay, so now we will see different, we will sum up the whole specification error. What all things we have discussed, we can sum up in just five points. Okay, so the first one is omission of the relevant variable. Okay, so that will lead to specification error. The second one is inclusion of the irrelevant variable. And the third one is usage of the wrong functional form. Okay, use of functional form. And the fourth one is errors of measurement. And the fifth one is CLRM assumptions not being satisfied. Okay. By the error structure of the model. Okay, so these are the important 5 things that we have discussed earlier. Omission of the relevant variable, inclusion of the irrelevant variable, use of wrong functional form, errors of measurement, and violating the assumption, CLRM assumption of by the error structure of the model. Okay, so if these things come across, we can say that there is a specification error. Okay. Now let's see. Now in next thing we will discuss about the consequences. Okay, consequences of model selection. Sorry, the model specification errors. What are the different consequences that will come across while doing specification error? That is the next thing. We will be discussing only the first 2 things, like that is most important. So we have to study only that, this is the thing. We will be discussing in further about the consequences of underfitting a model as well as overfitting a model. Okay, so the first one is underfitting a model, and next one is overfitting a model. So what do you mean by underfitting a model? So it is just the omission of the relevant variable, skipping the relevant variable. And overfitting a model means just including the irrelevant variable. So if you are unnecessary variable if you are including in our model, that is known as overfitting a model. So the consequences of model specification error based on these 2 will be discussed now. I will be discussing. I will be sending the next it in the next video. Okay.